Hello, and welcome to the April Duncan Intelligence. If you've joined us before, you'll notice I've gone shirt shopping. Let's get started. Talking to the principal about PMA. As a decision maker in your flight department, you are continually looking for ways to keep a sharp eye on your bottom line to reduce cost, increase reliability, and cut downtimes. Did you know using PMA replacement parts is a viable solution to all three? While the concept is nothing new, using PMA parts have become more widely accepted in the industry over time. Just like generic drug prescriptions, people were skeptical in the beginning, but as cost, quality, and lead times continued to improve, that philosophy changed and is preferred by customers as an alternative and often an improvement over the original. When it comes to refinishing galleys, tables, doors, and other hard surfaces in your aircraft, you have more options beyond the traditional veneer. The next article is about hydrodipping, a graphic process that applies custom designs through a water transfer, making it ideal for surfaces with complex contours that are hard to cover with veneer. Basically, if you can paint it, it can be hydrodipped, with a few exceptions. And don't forget to watch the video by clicking the link at the bottom of the article. Honeywell issued a service bulletin that impacts all airframes flying with the AS907 engine. This service bulletin calls for the replacement of the number 4 carbon seal. Keep reading to learn what other bulletins are required. Attention global, Challenger 300 or 350 operators. The next article about the Aviation Clean Air Ionization system is for you. This system neutralizes pathogens like those that cause COVID-19 and removes allergens and unpleasant odors, including those from pets, cigarette smoke, and lavatories. Duncan Aviation has created installation packages for this system that include everything you need for the installation. For added information, we have included a link to the Duncan Aviation Straight Talk webinar that goes into greater detail. The servos utilized in some Honeywell KFC models have enclosures and base plates that are no longer available from the OEM. When these require replacement, your only options are to 1. Buy a whole new servo unit, or 2. Upgrade the entire avionics package of the aircraft at a much higher price tag. Keep reading to learn how Duncan Aviation's avionics repair shop is keeping these out-of-production parts available. That is all for the April Duncan Intelligence. Thank you for joining us, and we'll see you again next month.